Hey everybody, this is my introduction to the 2022 Pro Street group build. This is the group build that so many people get into, and I am going to be this is going to be the first time of me joining it, so I don't really build many Pro Streets. I think I've only got maybe one in a collection. I have a few gassers. I was thinking of doing a gasser, but I don't know. I kind of wanted to do one of these kits. I have 3 of these, and I wanted to put a different body on it. And I do have some that I kind of wanted to do. I kind of wanted to do an old truck and use the, the tub chassis and all that stuff on it. And then I wanted to do a 70.5 Camaro. And then I started looking at how much customizing I'll have to do, and for the short term or timed group build, I think I'm just going to stick with doing one of these stock, because I still want to do one of these completely stock or box stock kit. So I think maybe the first one I should kind of just stick with the basic kit. It's going to be kind of boring for you guys because there's probably about at least 10 people doing this kit. And then there's probably about 10 other people doing the other kit that's just like it. So hopefully it's not too boring for you. But I want to show you the inside just to make sure you guys see it's completely unstarted. And of course it's one of those damn ones that the body and all the parts are molded in a color, so none of the glue's going to work as good. But I think I opened this one up, looked at it, and drooled over it. I think one of the tires is off into one of my things I was trying to make molds with, but there's that. It is slicks on the back. I do not plan on changing that because I think all the other big fatties I got are all slicks. So. But I am a little late to the party. Today is the 14th, so I'm already 4 days behind. But oh well. That'll be another reason why I'm not going to do a full out custom build. I mostly do my kits box stock with a little bit of added details and stuff like that. I ain't one of those good scratch builders. I slowly trying to get better at that, but I think with a timed group build I'm going to kind of avoid doing that. I don't want to miss the deadline, even though it's not really a strict deadline. I kind of want to still finish in with the group build. That's part of the fun. So until next time, I'll show you guys an update on this, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.